Hello, this is two of my girls. My boys, I put them in a cage for now. So that's the dad and the mom. Okay. So they're actually almost the same. The other one is a little bit bigger. The other one is smaller. As you can see, that is cat. The smaller we call it Catriona, and the bigger we call it Pia. Okay, so that's Pia, and this is Catriona. Catriona. Okay, let me see if I can get the face. Well, they're following me, so cannot get. Okay, go. Yeah, they're following me. Very very good. So let me go outside the cage so I can have a better look at them. Okay, there you go. So that's the dad, and that's the mom, and that's two of my girls. Okay, let me see if I get. Oh, okay. Hey, the two boys want to get out. So now the two girls is watching. So the two girls. Okay, you like your brothers out? Okay, so you can have a better look at them. Okay, so. Okay. I will let you out. Okay, give me 2 more minutes. They're not used to being in the cage. Okay, that's Pia. Now I get a better look of Pia. Oh, is that Pia? Yeah. That's no, Catriona, the smaller one. And this is Pia. Okay, so that's it. They're so cute. Okay, that's the mom. So, oh, yeah. Hey. No. That's the dad. No. Okay. Come to the rescue, mom. That's the mom. That's the mom. And that's the dad. Okay, let's see. Let's get a. They're looking at their brothers. No, they're crying. Okay, they're getting out soon, my friend. Okay, she's looking. Okay. So, okay, that's it. So I think that's about it. That's they're almost the same. The other ones are just smaller. They have good personalities. Okay, they're just a little bit sad because they want their brothers out. Okay. Hey. Okay, I let them out. Okay, now you get a better look at them. Let me get out the boys. Boys, there you go. Now you can get out. Now they're okay. Now they're out. Okay. Wherever I go, they go. So they're locked in the cage. Okay. There you go. That's the dad. Okay. That's not my boy. That's my boy. Oh, that's the girl. That's Catriona. Small one. And that's sometimes they look alike. I know this is my boy. Okay, there you go. That's the family. Okay. Okay, that's the mom and dad. Okay. Bye.